Each year, the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, better known as CASE, opens its doors to a world of innovation through its highly anticipated Research Day. But as the institution's president, Dr. Derek Deslandes, explains, this event is far more than a routine campus showcase. It's a declaration.
We are demonstrating to Jamaica and the world that CASE has an important role to play in the development of agriculture. Not just agriculture, but the integration of science, technology into the agricultural space, the integration of business and hospitality with agriculture, the integration of mathematics and computer sciences with agriculture. So we're basically demonstrating that CASE is a best kept secret, and perhaps secret for too long.
Research Day exposes that secret with its exciting display of cutting-edge projects from students and faculty. Here is how it works. Abstracts and research papers are submitted for review, and the most impactful and innovative entries earn formal recognition and awards. This year, agrivoltaics was a standout as CASE students displayed an eco-smart solution that combines farming with solar energy. It shows how installing solar panels over farmland allows crops to grow or animals to graze underneath, making full use of the land while producing clean energy.
What they have done is that they have shown that it can work. Now what we need to do is to do some more iterations, scale it up, and then gradually demonstrate to Jamaica that this can actually be employed and deployed throughout Jamaica to drive agriculture growth and production.
This is STEM at work, not in textbooks or labs alone, but out in the field, propelling national development.
We are STEM in action. We're not waiting for STEM to come on us. We are hoping to drive STEM in a way that will show to Jamaicans and to farmers and to the world how you integrate technology into what we do in a very practical and pragmatic way.
With the growing urgency around food security and sustainable agriculture, the themes of innovation and integration ring louder each year. CASE is stepping out of the shadows from quiet leader to national force.